back in my YouTube channel RoboHost. Today in this video I'll show you how to enable IonCube Loader. Without IonCube Loader you will face many problems like this. Alright, now open your cPanel and search multi-PHP manager. After selecting multi-PHP manager, choose your domain name which is facing problems. Now select PHP version. In my case I'll select 7.4 Easy Apache and apply. Now search PHP select version and choose that software. Now go extension tab and enable IonCube Loader and then check your website. It will work. Thanks for watching this video.